Hey everybody, um, back in the room. I wanted to send you a quick message to wrap up the year here, and I wanted to um, thank a very important group of people here at school. Um, you know, Throughout the year, we have all sorts of days to recognize people, right? There were, a few weeks ago it was, Teacher Appreciation Day, or depending on how you deal with it, some people say it's Teacher Appreciation Week. Um, we have days for our clerical staff. We have days for our lunch staff, and I think all of them are deserving. But there's one group at school that never gets a day um, of recognition and a day of thanks, and that group is you guys, the students. So I want to take a quick moment here and say thank you. Um, Thank you for being here, being here at home. Thank you for, you know, doing all the things that you do, doing all the things that I ask you to do, that your teachers ask of you, being kind people, being respectful students. Um, just thank you for all of it. Um, you know, I know that this class, my class, can be hard at times. Um, and I want to thank you for putting up with my directions or my expectations, or whatever you um, whatever you want to take out of that. But um, I make this class the way that it is, um, for one reason and one reason only, and it's because I care so much about you guys. I want this class to help prepare you for all of the different goals that you have. um, Whether that's in science or not. I try to challenge each and every one of you in ways that's going to be important for you. Um, because, like I said, you're important to me, and your goals. Whether you think you have goals walking in here as a freshman or not, you've got goals, or you're going to come up with goals for your life. And I really hope that this class helped prepare you for whatever those goals are. Um, So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a student here. Thank you for being my student. You're all very important to me. Um, you know, the end of the year is always bittersweet, I think, for teachers, because we spent so much time with you. Um, so we want to see you go on to, wherever you're going to, the next grade, or graduating, or whatever the case is. Um, but we also are going to miss you. I think this year, more than most, I think your teachers are feeling that bittersweetness more, just because we were cut off of having our last, time with you. So, um, you know, if you have some time, reach out to your teachers, um, because we do miss you. Um, so I think that's all I wanted to say. I'm kind of sitting in this room here feeling um, at a loss, because usually it's filled with you guys. The last time I was here, it was filled with you guys. So we miss you, we care about you, and we're excited to see you guys again.